iMovie is a basic video editor for Apple computers. The screen has 4 panels. The library pane shows the folders that contain your video and audio clips. The browser pane shows the clips inside the selected folder. The timeline pane shows your movie. As you scroll across either your movie or a clip in the browser, it will appear in the viewer pane. When we scroll across this clip, it appears in the viewer pane. It looks pretty good, so let's put it in the timeline. This other clip looks interesting too, so let's put it right after the first clip. The movie doesn't fit inside the timeline pane, so let's change the time scale so we can see the whole movie. I want to use a still image for my brand logo, so let's find an image in the browser and drag it to the end of the timeline. Part of the first clip is not very interesting, so let's trim the boring parts out. We'll do the same for the second clip. The bird in this clip is moving really fast, so it would be interesting to show the action in slow motion. Let's split the clip in 2. Select the portion of the clip that you want to convert to slow motion. And move up to the clock icon to change the speed of the clip. Click on Slow. Notice that the clip lengthens in the timeline. Now we will shorten the last clip. Select Titles in the menu bar and drag a template to the beginning of the movie. It goes right above the first video clip, but only the words that we type will be superimposed. Then let's shorten the title so it only overlays the first clip. Now let's select the last clip. It's a still image, so let's add a Ken Burns effect to make it more interesting. We can crop the ending frame to make the bird fill the frame. That looks pretty good. Next, let's drag a title template over the last image. Shorten it to fit the clip length and type the title. That looks pretty good. Next, I recorded some audio clips on my camera. This spotted towhee lives in my yard. We're going to drag the new clip below the main video row, and the computer knows to delete the video and only keep the audio. The audio appears in green. Then we trim the audio to fit. For the second audio clip, let's use a different method. If you drag the clip above the main video track, then the new video will cover up the one you want to keep. But you can detach the audio and then just delete the video part of the clip. We will trim this clip as well. I was moving when I shot this clip, so let's stabilize the shaky video. The colors in this clip are washed out, so let's hit the magic wand to auto-correct them. I think the blacks need to be a little darker, and the saturation could be increased a bit too. Let's see how our final video looks. This spotted towhee lives in my yard. He's making a mess, but he's more fun to watch in slow motion. That looks fine, so let's click on the Share button. You can share the file directly with social media or save it as a file on your computer. This movie is rendered at 720p, but you could choose other file sizes. This spotted towhee lives in my yard. He's making a mess, but he's more fun to watch in slow motion.